These days, we're seeing a lot more patients with toxins. And what are these toxins? For example, mold toxicity is becoming more and more prevalent. And these patients present with fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, malabsorption, and cognitive issues. And you see this with other types of toxins, whether it's a heavy metal toxicity from a lead or from arsenic. How do we help them here at Hydration Room? Chelation therapy has been around for a long time and it's super effective. You can think of it as a Pac-Man molecule that goes and eats all these toxins, takes it to your liver and excretes them. It's something that's very, very effective in my clinical experience when you're treating the patient over several months. This inflammation really inhibits many of these patients from absorbing nutrients, and that is really, really improved after they go to the therapy. And the other thing I also see after the chelation protocol is their energy's there and they think much more clearly. We are removing the toxins, which is awesome, but we're also replenishing the minerals and vitamins that get taken from the chelation therapy. With our chelation program here at Hydration Room, you are not by yourself. You're with a dedicated team that will be with you every step of the way, looking at your blood work and make sure we're doing what's best for you and your symptoms and goals.